Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page guys. This is Eric and look what the Lord has provided. Cabbage, macaroni and cheese, pasta, potato, onion, chicken. Guys, all these stuff I get from my pantry. So guys, if you need food from your pantry, go to your pantry, go get food, because things is too expensive right now. Wherever you can get some free food, take it guys. Don't be ashamed to go to your pantry and get some food. Yes, you have to stand in the line to get it, but go, because right there I got my cereal. Yes, I got my cereal. It's not made, it's not the name brand, but it's cereal. All of them are cereal. Cereal, no matter what where they come. I get myself some potato, 2 bags of potatoes, guys. 2 bags of pasta, 3 bags of macaroni and cheese, 2 bags of onion, 2 packs of chicken, 3 packs of rice. Guys, what else could I ask for? And this will last for a good, maybe a week or two, because guess what? I don't eat pasta every day. I don't eat macaroni and cheese every day. I don't even eat potato every day. And so guys, if you can go to the pantry, if there's a pantry in your community and you have the time, go to the pantry. There's no shame in our game right now, because food is expensive. So whichever way you can get that extra, that you don't have to spend that money, go to your food pantry and catch yourself some onion and all these stuff that they give out the pantry. Guys, it's not just foolishness they give out at pantry. They give out good food, healthy food. So anytime you see a pantry open, run go get your pantry food. There is no shame in the game to get some pantry food. So guys, just go get your food, and whatever you get, if you get stuff and you don't like what is in your bag, you have the choice to say no, and you have the choice to say yes. So if you take this stuff, take it and give it to somebody else who need it. You know, don't just think about yourself, because if you get some stuff and you don't like this stuff, still take this stuff and pack a bag and give it to somebody else who need it. So right here guys, you see all my pinto bean, guys, this bean cook good soup, you know, and it's good in rice and peas. So just get your bean guys. I was so happy yesterday. I get my vegetable aisle. I was so happy yesterday. I see my whole box of fruit vegetable that I got from the pantry. And so guys, even Sunday again, I'm gonna go to another pantry to get my pantry food. Tuna, even tuna I get from the pantry guys. So you know that you're getting good stuff from the pantry. So whenever time, as I said, if there's a pantry in your community, you can go there, go get your milk and all these stuff that they give out free. They are free, but they are good food, healthy food. There are times they have food that say Best Buy or sometime close to expiration. Those, if you don't want them, you don't have to take them. But if you take them, give them to someone else so that, and use them up quick guys, because I have my canned bean here. So I have the dry pinto bean and I have also the canned beans. These beans, when I get them and I'm gonna cook them up or I make salad with them, I just soak them in some water and then rinse them off and put them in my salad or fry them up. So guys, you can do that. Look at my chickpeas guys. I don't even have to